For most of you, your attraction marketing sucks because there is more competition. It's harder to get attention, but that doesn't mean you can't grow. That doesn't mean you can't attract leads and build an online business. In fact, you need something that's free that gets people to raise their hand. So they request information. You need a freebie. Hopefully you have one, but maybe you don't promote it enough. And if you don't have one, you need to build one. Why? Because as much as I love social, you want to get people off of social. You want to get them from Facebook to your list, from TikTok to your list, whatever that looks like. Maybe you use Project Broadcast. Maybe you have an email list. The bottom line is you want to collect phone numbers and collect email. Why? Because as much as I love social, it's a great place to connect with people, to nurture a relationship, to put out content, but to build a real relationship, to have a better means of communication, you need to have a text messaging platform and or an email platform. I'm always promoting my free resources, my freebies. Why? Because again, it gets people to enter their name and email so they can access that free guide, that free resource, whatever it is. Whether you're doing a call to action for your freebie or for more information on your product, or hey, send me a message if you have a question about this, you're getting people to take action. You're getting people to raise their hand. You're getting people to reach out to you or email you or text you or download something from you. They're getting something from you before they're ever exchanging any monies. How can someone buy a product that they don't know you sell? How can they join a business that they don't know you have? You have to show up. You have to post. You have to offer value. You have to share tips and get excited and tell your face. And they have to see your face, by the way. You have to get better. Don't be bitter, get better. Don't be bitter, get better. Don't be frustrated, get fascinated. Say, what are the top people in my company doing? How are they showing up every day? And I'm not going to sit here and tell you that it's all social media. Some of the best people I recruited, we were on a phone call for 45 minutes before they got started, mapping out a plan, answering questions, getting to know each other. And lo and behold, we hit it off. We had a great connection. And now they're some of my biggest earners. Some of those people I met playing pickleball, or I met through my travels, or like I met them offline, or I met them with my network marketing skills, tap rooting through teams to find people. Some of the best people were referred to me. They were introduced to me by someone else, or I met them when I was out and about. It wasn't social media, but then I met them in person, friended them up on social media, then they saw my videos, then they saw my lifestyle, then they saw my travels and, the products I was selling and the business I was promoting and the people I was helping, and boom, they were in my inbox, liking, commenting, downloading a freebie, asking for more information. What's that product? What's that company? Tell me more. I'm interested. This is why so many of you suck. I remember having to embrace the suck and be okay with being boring, being okay with I don't know what my brand is. I don't know what my videos should be about. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to do every day. Help me. Something I learned very early on, 23 years ago when I first got started in this profession, they said, find someone that has the things you want, the lifestyle, the income, the car, the house, the family, the relationship, the health, the body, whatever. Find someone that has what you want, do what they do, and you'll get what they got. Find those people inside your company. Now, see, here's the challenge. For instance, I'll give you an example. I love Gary Vee. I don't like how hard he works. I don't like that he's always in the office and traveling. Like when does this guy go to his kids' games? And maybe he does. I don't think he does. I think he works from the moment he wakes up till late at night every day. And I think that's great. But you got to know what season you're in also. I guess the point I'm making is the way I do it might not be the way you do it. But you got to figure out a way of showing up with authenticity, with your story, with your personality, your message, and your value proposition. And by the way, it doesn't always have to be that your brand is directly correlated to your product. You got to stop overthinking it. You don't always have to promote things you make money on. Share the food you're eating. Share the products you're trying. Share the experiences you're having. Share the things you're learning. You don't have to be an expert. You could say, hey, I'm going to start eating the carnivore diet or low glycemic, whatever, and take people on the journey with you. I've had people buy my products in my company because they bought something else I suggested that I didn't make money off of. Do you get it? You have to show up. And again, you can't be afraid to talk about your products. Go look at my page. I just did a big post about collagen and all the benefits. because it works. It didn't used to work. It used to be spammy. Now it's actually effective. So you have to ebb and flow with the times. You have to go with the flow. You have to test things out. You can't be afraid to change it up, to reinvent yourself. Listen, if your attraction marketing is sucking, it's all good. I just gave you a bunch of tips. So now go implement. Now go implement, because the key to success is not learning, it's removing the L. Yeah. At some point, you want to remove the L and start earning. And the only way to start earning is through implementation. You test, you tweak. You test, you tweak. If you test something out, it doesn't work, don't just stop. Keep testing, keep testing, keep testing, and getting better along the way through the tweaking, the testing, analyzing. You look at the analysis, you go, okay, what's working, what's not? Let me try this for 30 days, and then I'll figure out what's working, what's not, and then make some shifts, make some changes. Try it out for another 30 days.